how's it going? Gary from VOC here. Look at the weather out there, absolutely shite. So what can you do? Top your system up, give it a good clean, top your system up and get a brew on. Well, I'm going to be brewing tomorrow. I've still got about an hour's worth of prep. About 22 litres in there, just hang on. There you go, what's gone off now? Just under 22. So just, yeah, I'm happy with that. Are we happy with that? Brewers, yeah, just about. May have to put another drop in. It's all been fully cleaned out, fully sluiced, rinsed, whatever you want to call it. Had a good acid wash. So I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna not brewed it for ages. Gonna brew my version of, well, I call it have some more faith, Northern Monk faith recipe. So using I'll put the recipe in the link, but basically putting a few more hops in, about another 70 or 80 grams in total on the brew. So for aroma hops and dry hops, so see if I can get a bit more of that punchy flavour, malty flavour through. So there we are. Right, when it rolls over, it's me yabbering again in the morning. Cheers. Morning brewers, I'm back again. Just mashed in, doughed in, whatever you want to call it. Doing a half-hour mash rest on this one. Oh, excuse me, coronavirus. Yeah, I watched a Northern Monk, as we're doing Northern Monk faith today. I was watching a Northern Monk video yesterday, and basically showing their brew processes on faith, and they do an hour mash rest after they've mashed in. So I usually do 20 minutes, probably won't make any difference, but we'll just give it a try. Got to try something, haven't you? So yeah, mashed in, you can see it's going to recirculating round now while it's mashed resting and holding temp. So there we are, done a couple of improvements in the brew shed, just one of them there, one of them there, just stuff up out the way, clears the counters a bit. They were getting, couldn't bloody move. So right, anyone who's interested, that's the recipe I'm working to today. Hopefully turn out nice. Not going to know for a few weeks, obviously. Yeah, using S04 on this one because I didn't order from Malt Miller last week. The yeast I have spec for it. So this is you can see their Faith version 2. So yeah, see how it goes. Hopefully, it says S04 is a good substitute for the yeast I was going to use. So there we are. Right, on to the next segment. Hey brewers, just started the mash a minute ago, minute and a half. Just a quick shot, as I normally do, of the condition, this wort, the early doors, so we'll see how it looks when it clears up. It's the control panel, right on the money. Lever down the bottom there, on the right side. See the power level. Got it, what is it, 58%, and that's the usual position of my levers on the left side, basically in chiller bypass mode. So it's just the wort's just doing a loop. Oh, let's do it this way. Now it comes out of there, up round, back into the tank. For those who don't know, the pump is kind of underneath there. That's the inlet side. So it basically sucks through. Basically sucks through down the bottom of the tank there, through round, comes out there, up there, round, back in. Creates a circuit. You can levels in the tank are quite high. In the malt pipe are quite high. So yeah, just started off. We'll see how it goes. Cheers. Back again. Just the last 8 minutes or so of the mash. Levels have been a bit of a concern in the malt pipe and the kettle. You can't really see it there, but yeah, there's been probably a good 6 inches between them. I've had to throttle the flow back quite a bit, otherwise elements would have been exposed. Using some Maris Otter I've got from not the malt mill, a different supplier, so wondering if it's the crush on that, so we'll see. But you can just about make out the wort there. Looks like gin compared to how it was before, very clear. Yes, pH was, well, a touch low actually. I had to put a little bit of chalk in there to get it back up to above 5.2 to 5.25, so happy with that. So yeah, just 5-10 minutes we'll be sparging, and yeah, we'll see what that brings. Cheers. Hey brewers, just lifted that pretty heavy thing out. Yeah, slow. It's normally, you can hear, normally drains a lot quicker than that, within seconds. The grist bed's normally dry, so yeah, I didn't have any rice hulls to put in this one, so I'll be giving it a stir when I sparge it. Cheers. There we go, just doing a bit of nice and easy hand sparging with this not very expensive watering can. I find it works for me, rather than having the HLT all nailed up and pipe work here, there and everywhere. I think I'm putting 13 litres in today. Just take my time. Even doing that only takes 10 minutes, so less than that really. There we are. Right, I'll carry on. Not much to report. Had a good hard boil on the hop stand now. Started a little while ago. Hop stand dash Whirlpool. That's the Whirlpool. Quite vigorous, I think. That's and that's the levers today. Got it in that position because it Whirlpools well. So there we are. So that's that. That's the lever on the right. We got about 26 and a half in the kettle. I think I've boiled about 4.5 litres off, somewhere around there. The pre-boil grav IT was, well, 1047, just slightly above the 1046 of the recipe, of the batch recipe. So I haven't measured the original gravity as yet. Let it cool down first. So yeah, things have gone fine, apart from a slightly slow recirculation on the mash, slightly high levels in the kettle, well, low levels in the kettle, and higher levels in the mash tun. So yeah, there we are. The mash pipe, sorry, malt pipe. So yeah, all going well. I'll report back when do another segment when I'm getting it in the fermenter. Cheers. How are we going? Right, quick wrap up vid. That's the carnage in the kettle. Ended up with about 22.5 litres in the fermenter. Just lashed in, pitched the yeast 5 minutes ago. It's all in. Yeah, they're the Aldi bags I use to kind of filter it going into the fermenter. Gets a lot of the hot matter out. Just done the FG, sorry, the OG, the original gravity. It's 1057. Written down there. Well, it was that 1056.5. You can see that was with the refractometer. I've just done it. You see a picture come up now of the, you know, in the, what do you think there, the trial jar. Broke my glass one last week when I was messing about in here. So yeah, all good. Would have liked another half litre or so, but there you go. Quite a hoppy. There was 145 grams went in. Oh, there's the sun. Was it raining all morning? 145 grams went in on the Whirlpool. So that's kind of to be expected really. So I'll give it a good clean now. Right, if you've hung about to the end and watched, thanks very much. If you want to subscribe, go ahead, click the subscribe button. And I'll probably be brewing again about another week. I've got a few got an experimental beer I wanna get brewing, see what that turns out like. So Right, thanks very much. I'll see you again soon. Cheers.